Hi teachers, today I'm going to give you a really quick tutorial on setting up a few things in your Schoology courses for the beginning of the school year. The things that we're going to talk about today are changing your course picture and adding different kinds of materials for your students. The first thing you're going to want to do after you've logged into your Schoology and selected your course is to change your profile picture. Changing the picture helps students find it easier since the pictures are bigger on the screen and the words for the name of the class are a lot smaller. So you're going to hover over the picture, choose edit, and you can choose to select one of the images that Schoology has already created for you, or you can attach your own image that you've downloaded or created. So I'm going to use this art picture since I'm going to be making an art class. There's no save button, it just automatically does it, so you can just click the X. And now when your students are going through their course list, they can see this image of the paint tray easier and quicker so that they can get to your class much faster than usual. The next things that I'm going to show you are in your Materials tab on the left side. You're going to click Add Materials. I'm going to start by adding a folder for ease of organization for students. I'm going to name my folder Trash Art, since that's the first class that or the first project that they're going to be doing. Then I'm going to change the color to yellow, and I'm going to click Create. Once you have your folder created, you can click into it to begin editing the materials that go inside the folder. Once inside the folder, you can select Add Materials. You can add an assignment, links, discussion boards, pages, etc. I'm going to start by adding a link. I know that I want my students to watch this video called Dumpster Art Challenge that I have opened on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and get that link from YouTube and just copy paste it. So now that I have my link, I'm going to select the link option, paste it into the URL, and give it a title called Dumpster Art Challenge. And then I'm going to click Add to add it to my folder. The next thing that I want to do is add an assignment so that I can add grades for the students after they finish their art project. So I'm going to click in Materials, Add Assignment. You can name it whatever you think. I call mine Trash Art Project number 1. You can give a description of the project. You could give it a due date. I'm going to put mine as September 30th, and I'm going to make it worth 25 points. Then you're going to want to select a category. You can make a new category or use one that you have already used in other courses, which I have, so I'm going to use project since it's a project. And then I'm going to click Create. I forgot to add a time. All right, so there's my assignment that students can submit into and my link for their video. The next thing I want to do is add some directions for them so that they know what to be doing throughout the time. So I'm going to click Add Materials, and I'm going to select Add Page. I can give my page title anything that I want. I might call it Trash Art Directions. Then I'm going to type all my steps that I want the students to complete throughout the class period or their unit. On the bottom here, I do want to select this ABC button that allows it to be displayed in line on Schoology so students can see the directions without having to click on it. Then I'm going to click Create. And you can see that my directions have appeared up here so that students can read it without selecting this button. The last thing I want to do to make it make more sense is sort my items on here. I want my directions to come first and not last. So I'm going to click and hold on the title and drag it to the spot that I want it to be at. If I wanted my art project assignment to come second, I can move that there, or however you would like to organize it. Okay? That is the basics on how to add some really basic materials to your Schoology courses. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email at school or give my phone a call at the extension 135. Thanks.